welcome back. This is the third and final segment of today's You Special on NDTV Hindu, and I'm with a bunch of India's future filmmakers. So we're asking them what are the kind of films that they will make in future. Let's start with you.
I basically would make those kinds of movies which have a social message with them, but I would give it to the public in a commercial form, because there is something that people must enjoy. There would be some amount of action. It might not be as bad as I do not want to mention a few names, but generally in today's action sequence won't be that bad, but I would make it a little more decent. There is a movie called Red Line in English. The action sequence is pretty good, so something close to that.
Okay, something that will have a message but will also play to the audience.
Entertain to the people.
Okay, yeah.
Actually, I would like to direct many critically acclaimed movies, because I'm very fond of critically acclaimed movies and technical valuable movies. And if you take Black movie, yeah, like that Black and Guzarish, so many movies came. So I believe the critically acclaimed movies will do a great, will give a great impact to the society.
Okay, as long as it's put forth in a good way, the audience will receive it, you're saying. Okay, yeah.
As film technology students, after coming to film technology, we see movies in a very different way. Not as we saw them before. Before we went to movies just for entertainment and with friends howling in the hall and just having fun. But nowadays, when we see a movie, we see it very technically. Yeah, okay, this shot was good. Okay, here this frame was good. Yeah, the cinematography is good. We see it in a totally different way. But when we actually make movies, we need to think like we thought before. Right. When we were originally audience, the thinking of our mind should be the same while making a movie, while directing a movie. So I would rather make movies in a point of view of the audience, what the audience will love. Like in democracy, for the audience, of the audience, and
by the audience.
So.
Okay. Yeah.
My movie would be artistic, basically, because I want to convey the whole message. If it has some commercial elements in it, it will be diluted. People won't know the message. You'll only remember the fun part of the movie.
So you don't fear failure of the movie or anything like that?
I choose my audience. It's not like I want to convey a message to everyone. Whoever are interested can watch my movie. Commercial movie are meant for everyone, but artistic movie, I choose my audience.
Okay. Yeah.
I believe in the power of change. And the Englishman says change is constant. And I believe movie has the power to change lives and to influence people. So I believe in the future, when I'm through with my studies, when I leave here to become a future producer, I believe I'm going to make movies that will influence the world, not just my country. Though I want to make movies that will create impact, that will impact in their life, majorly the youth. Because the future of this world tomorrow, it lies in the hands of the youth. So I believe I will make movies that will influence the youth and generally the whole society.
Okay, yeah.
And in future, I want to make movies for the audience as well as for the producers, because producers are the person who gave us a chance to direct a movie, and they have given name and fame to us. So we can't just make a movie.
Aren't you compromising on your dream of making the movie that you want when you're also taking into consideration your producer?
No, it's not like that. But we can make changes, and we can match with the tastes of the audience as well, and so that will give a good impact, and it will also become a hit. So the producer is also saved, and we get our name. So that's good.
Okay. Yeah.
So when I'm gonna become a filmmaker in future, I'm gonna make films like real life films. The films which is showing realism. I don't want to confuse my audiences. The future generation is gonna come. I just want to mold them in a better way. That with my films, I will just convey the message that will affect them in a good way, and they will become the best citizens of the world. Yeah. Like that films I'm gonna make, and messages will be sent. Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much for joining me today on this discussion here. So we seem to have a very bright future for our film world here. Most of the people here do want to make meaningful films and come out with films that will have pakka messages for the audience out there and for the society. Do write to me at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com and tell me what you thought of today's episode. Thanks for watching.